Hey, what's up everyone? We're gonna make bacon cheeseburgers with fried egg on it. It's delicious. Let's do it. All right, to get started, we have about a half a pound of 80/20 ground beef, and we're gonna form this into a patty. And we're going to season generously with some seasoning salt. Next, we're gonna put this in a pan and we're gonna go for 3.5 minutes per side. And we're gonna flip her over. Another 3.5 minutes. Smells amazing. We're gonna use a brioche bun and we're gonna butter this and toast this up. Just a little bit of butter is all we need. We're gonna toast our buns. Just like that. I'm gonna put a cheese on. And if you so choose, put some delicious bacon on. Let's check out our buns. Nice and toasty. Perfect. And here we go. Fry that egg. And here we go. Give it a little flip. Just like that. A little salt, pepper. Use a little salt. And here we go. Star of the show. Cream on little egg. And let's put on the brioche top. Let's cut this bad boy open. Ooh, delicious. All right, here it is, our bacon cheeseburger with egg. How can it not be good? Bacon, cheese, fried egg. It's delicious. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.